What's up, bro? I'm giving this a little shot here. Can you hear me? Tripod. I think the comments are coming through late, so loud and clear, perfect. It's not quite dark enough. What's up, Sniper? If I pan this over to the west, you can see the sun's just barely going down. I'll turn back towards town. I'm in Northern Cali. It's almost 10 o'clock, I think. Let me see if I swipe this thing. Can you guys hear the bangs? Figured I'd test this out. I don't know how clear it's coming in. As far as the video quality, this is just basically what the drone transmits through the viewfinder. So it's not the actual video off of the SD card of the drone. I got 72% battery, so I'm gonna let this ride till I get down close to 30%, maybe a little lower, we'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty new myself, but right now it's not super dark, so I can barely see my drone flashing. I'm hoping I'll see it better when it gets a little darker. And I'm up there, I'm at 299 feet. I can actually go to 400. I'll go up to about 350 here. Alright, so there's 349. Let me pan around here a little bit. I'm at 68% battery. 54 foot out in front of me, supposedly, but straight up from me. I'm gonna pan around to the mountains again. You can see it's just now dusk. It's still, there's a little bit of light coming off the west coast there. Yeah, I'm not sure which one that is. I've always done the freaking DJI stuff. I had a couple different DJI drones and they've been great. So I've been sticking with DJI. Alright, we're 64% battery. So it's still doing pretty good. I was hoping my neighbors were gonna shoot off a couple of theirs. They were shooting them off and they stopped. I think probably because I put my drone up. They're probably thinking that I'm trying to catch them. Which I am, but not for a bad reason. Alright, 62%. I need to see what the battery life on my phone is. Alright, I got you guys back. Yeah, I'm good. Was it messing up? You guys got the drone view back or what? Somehow I lost the chat, so I had to go back through it. All good there. I appreciate the feedback. See if I can get something to see here. See, we're 341, 155. Alright, so if that's trying to switch it up here. Okay, so anywhere over here. So yeah, this is probably only the second time, maybe the third, that I've streamed from this drone. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, you want to stay away from trees for sure. I had a couple little drones that I bought that I crashed. Happy 4th. MAGA. You know it. We all know. Freedom. Never kneel. Absolutely not. I love that actually. I'm blocked from Kaepernick on Instagram, just saying. Alright, we got 44% battery. I'm up there at 342 feet. And I'm 55 feet out in front of me, which it don't look like it when I look at it. I can barely see it flashing up there. I was hoping my neighbors would shoot one off, but guess not. They're scared because I have my drone up. Ah, that's a good one. I didn't know that. He was trying to get off the bench too, huh? %40 battery. So guys, when this gets around 30, I'm gonna bring it down just to be safe. But I wanted to get on here, and I was hoping to give you one good shot from my neighbors, but I think they're scared because I have the drone up. But I might like go down and then take it back up. So if you get some random stream after this, it might be because there's a grand finale going on next door, and I want to at least try to get it on camera. It'd be cool. So we're 37%. Yeah, it just got dark here on the west coast. Pretty much 9 o'clock, 9:30. %36. It actually should start coming home by itself, but I don't want to put it through that I have the stream app going. I'm a little worried that with the stream app it might affect it. Haven't done enough testing yet. Yeah, I worked hard for it, and I actually got into some of my car parts money for it, but hopefully in the long run it'll work out. But I'm still paying it off somewhat, for sure. This isn't the full Mavic though. This is the Mavic 2, and it was like $900, $999 or something. I bought the package where you get the 3 batteries and stuff. I think the full blown Mavic is 1500 or 1800. %. Yeah, you know, I started with little ones first, cheaper ones. Alright, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of what's going down in my neighborhood. Yeah, I guess that doesn't have a good view. 31%. So I might do another stream after this when I swap the batteries. Happy 4th, happy 4th. Freedom, you know, freedom wasn't free. But, you know, it's good we can enjoy it now. Alright, 29%, guys. Let me aim this one direction here, and I'll start coming in. If this turns into an emergency landing, guys, I'm gonna have to cut the stream. We'll kill the stream before I kill the drone, right? She's coming in slow, actually. And we're at 26%. 265 feet. Can you guys see all that? We were doing a little spin. Alright, 25%, 190 feet. Let me get aimed back the right direction. I was kind of panicking there for a minute. Let's see here. Alright, bring her on home. So because it's dark, I can't see that great. And as I was coming down just now, I had the wheel tilted a little to the left, so she was spinning. Happy 4th, Victor. Alright, 22%. What's up? What's up? Just doing a quick little drone flight. I'm running out of battery, so I'm trying to bring her in home safely. I might do another stream after this. I was trying to catch my neighbors. Had some pretty good ones, would have been some good shots. Alright, 20%, 49 feet. I can see it. Alright, so supposedly this has a light. And it's not working. Alright. Okay, remember. Aha. Let there be light. That's crazy. 17. Alright guys, I'm gonna switch it off.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.